Alright, well, today we're gonna be playing some Portal 2. So yeah, let's do this. Alright, so I'm here at this level. It's a pretty good part of the game. I'm about to get the portal gun.
Good. You have a dual portal device.
Yes, I
there
do.
should be a way back to the testing area up ahead.
So we're gonna go to the testing area right up ahead.
Once testing starts, I'm required by protocol to keep interaction with you to a minimum. Luckily, we haven't started testing
How
yet.
do I-
This will be our only chance to talk.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. How do I get through that portal? How do I do this? Alright. Right. What's this? Okay, I'm gonna go into this room first. Oh, I figured it out. Now I can go to the portal. Well, now I can't even. This game's weird.
Here, if you killing me again and again,
Pretty
forever.
good.
You know, if you'd done that to somebody else, they might
Alright,
devote
let's
their
seriously
existence
play
to
the game
exacting
now.
revenge.
We're going full force now.
Luckily, I'm a bigger person than that. I'm happy to put this all behind us and get back to work. After all, we've got a lot to do, and only 60 more years to do it.
I got this.
More or less.
I'm going
I don't
full
have the
force now.
actuarial tables in front of me.
Just let me.
But the important thing is you're back with me. And now I'm on to all your little tricks. So there's nothing to stop us from testing for the rest of your life. After that,
pretty good.
who
I do
knows?
like Portal games.
I might take up a hobby.
So,
Reanimating the
say
dead, maybe.
probably one of the best. Let's do this.
Sorry about the mess. I've really let the place go since you killed me. By the way, thanks for that.
Sarcasm self-test complete.
Oh good, that's back online. I'll start getting everything else working while you perform this first simple test, which involves deadly lasers and how test subjects react when locked in a room with deadly lasers. Not bad. I forgot how good you are at this. You should pace yourself though. We have a lot of tests to do.
Alright. Where's test? You have to cut out.
This next test involves discouragement redirection cubes.
Of course,
I
love
just
those
finished
things.
building them before you
Alright,
had
now
your
we're going full force.
episode.
Okay.
So now we'll both get to see how they work. There should be one in the corner.
You know what, you really want to just over here and then you just want to
Well done.
It's as simple
Here
as
come
that.
the test results.
Alright, I
You
think
are
we're
a
gonna have
horrible
to
person.
stop
That's what it
playing.
says. A horrible person. We weren't even testing for that.
Alright.
Don't
let's do
let that
this one.
horrible
This one's
person
pretty
thing
good.
discourage you. It's just a data point. If it makes you feel any better, science has now validated your birth mother's decision to abandon you on a doorstep.
There we go. And, I don't think this is how it's done. Alright. Let's see. Let me think about this. So, see. What if the cube is here? I don't know. Why would that be there, though? Maybe. Maybe I just do that now. But I can't still do that, right? I don't really get both.
Congratulations. Not on the test. Most people emerge from suspension terribly undernourished. I want to congratulate you on beating the odds and somehow managing to pack on a few pounds.
Let's see. I didn't even really beat the test yet, so calm down. Oh, that's there. Well done. I should have known. That makes sense. That makes more sense though. Alright. There we go. Alright.
Well, looks like we just had to seal up Science Sphere 7, hull breach. Another adventure party smashed through the hull to learn the big mystery. Guess they were busy doing that instead of testing because I've mentioned that we're in space every half hour.
This from the game.
By the way, still in space.
Alright, well, I guess. Let's just go into here, check it out. We're good. Oh yeah, I remember this from the game. This is my favorite part of the game. Best part of the game. Yeah, it's a really hard part of the test. Yeah, it's really hard part of the game. Pretty hard part of the game. It's a pretty hard test. It's like compared to a lot of the other ones in the game. Pretty hard and difficult to, I mean, I guess you could say that, but specifically not that one, because I'm afraid this one. Specifically this one. And that I will come on. It's gonna die. So now it's dead. It's very sad, but we're gonna have to go to the next test. There we go. Next test. So let's do this. Okay. Let's see. What do I do here? Cause I don't remember this part of the game too much. You know, I remember the part of the game. I just don't really remember how to do the test. I'm starting to remember this one now. I fully failed. Can I have my... Yeah, there we go. Box. There we go. So it's quite a nice test. Really test your ability to play the game. And I'm gonna die. So it's the end for me now. I think I remember how to beat it. So. Alright, I'm back at this point now. So we wanna do we actually have to do this. So there we go. And of course we gotta do this. And moves this. And then moves. Definitely the right thing to do, and that is not the right thing to do. Definitely not. You don't know how many times I failed to do it. Alright. Alright, there we go. Woo, almost died. That's pretty good. Alright. Next. Oh yeah, this is the story here. Some like story here. It gets pretty intense at this point. You gotta like actually go like run away and stuff. things because, you know, this I remember this was pretty good and stuff. And, like, woo, get up there, and it's like really raining about that kind of, you know, classic part in the game. Loved it. Favorite part. It's gonna be my favorite part of the game. And I forward.
Initiating surprise in 3, 2, 1. I made it all up. Surprise. Oh, come on. If it makes you feel any better, they abandoned you at birth. So I very seriously doubt they'd even want to see you.
Yeah. Right. So this is a good level. I remember this one. You gotta like. You gotta do something like the. Oh.
What's going on? Who turned off the motor?
This is not how I remember the. Okay. This is quite nice. Ah, of course, yeah. I forgot. This is actually, yeah. Let's not play like a custom map or something before, because like that was, yeah. I'm just remembering it wrong. This is actually how the game works. This is actually how it was. So I do like this part of the game. Great part. You know, they did a great job. Let's check out this. Go over here. It's mine now. It's mine now. This is how I remember the game. This way.
Welcome to the final test. When you are done,
No,
you will drop
finally
the device.
gotten to the final test.
Enrichment center regulations require both hands to be empty before any case.
You know, what a great part this is. How do you get, of course. We need there we go, I got it. Digging it out. Alright. Let's do this part in the game. Oh no, it's closing the door. Alright. Well, this is a pretty good part of the game. I do really like it. So yeah.
To ensure the safe performance of all authorized activities, do not destroy vital testing apparatus.
this is the part where you get cake. It's really good, so it's time to get cake. And there we go. That's how you do it. That's how you get the cake. That's how you beat the game. So I hope you enjoyed this video on my playthrough of Portal 6. Pretty good game. There we go. There's the credits.